Hi guys! If you want to save the selected video as the live photo on your device and change the wallpaper of your phone in this way, this tutorial is the best for you. So the first option is to open the TikTok application and find the needful video we want to save as the live photo on your device. I will go also to my profile page and tap on the liked list because I want to use this TikTok as an example. So here I have the right panel and I need to pick on the share option. Little bit scrolling the bottom panel of the appeared bar and tap on the live photo feature. Let's wait some time guys, and right now we will get our new live photo on the gallery. Let's check it. And well done! So guys, as you can see, on iPhone we have this smoothly tag live. You can also choose another on iPhone, and in this way you can, without any troubles, save this TikTok as a wallpaper on your device. Let's check how to do it. Okay, let's customize it. Home screen, photos, gallery. Okay, live. Now something went wrong. Again. Okay, done. Okay, so guys, this is a live photo, and as you can see, the waves will change with some time, and without any troubles you can save another live photos on your device. And I hope that this tutorial was definitely very useful and interesting. Don't forget about likes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tricks about the TikTok and other programs, guys. So goodbye guys. Good luck.